Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Yeah, on the HBAR chart, we're still grinding sideways here in this, in this support area between 19.5 and 23.6 cents. No change there. I've shifted the micro patterns a little bit, but overall, after the dip that happened on the 3rd of February, yep, we had a bit of a recovery there. That's what we've seen for various cryptocurrencies across the sector, obviously, as well. There, for many coins, it looks more like a three-wave move here on the HBAR chart, I'd say, as well. It looks more like a three-wave move, especially considering the choppy nature here. Because if you call that a five-wave move, then what would be the internal third wave would be the shortest wave. That shouldn't really be like that, so you can't have that. Yeah, I mean, you can always try to count everything as five waves, but usually you have to be picky. Either way, though, we can still consider upside continuation to be on the table, but it takes some evidence. So what we want to see a little bit of a reaction to the 19.5 cent level. That hasn't happened yet. Why is it important? Because, obviously we don't need to test that level, but we need to see a reaction, I should rather say, before we break below that level, and that hasn't happened yet. So why is it important? Because the 78.6 retracement is normally the key support for such a wave 2, and any break below it would likely lead to a test of the 3rd of February low. If that happens, we will probably have invalidation of the pattern. Then suddenly the blue count will become more likely, and the focus will shift from this micro support area relevant for this local 1-2 setup. The focus will shift to a larger wave 4, which could still be unfolding, with support between 16.7 and 9.8 cents. Definitely something to watch for, a deeper pullback potentially, especially given that the price hasn't yet shown shown a good reaction to the support area. What we want to see, what would be a first reaction? Well, I would need to see some kind of an impulsive reaction or some kind of upside momentum, a break, at least above the dotted line here. You might not see it that well, but this is the swing high that formed on Tuesday the 11th, and this would be the very first key level that needs to be broken to the upside. Today, the market is under a bit of selling pressure, especially against the last swing high. The very first level that needs to be broken is here. You could say the 23.9 cent level, the earliest level to break. But again, also here, the market hasn't made any attempt to do that. I'm actually considering that the decline here was an A wave. This is a B wave triangle, and we're now moving down in wave C. If that's the case, it will be challenging for the price to find support at the 78.6 retracement. Why? Because what we normally track is the length of the A wave for a target. We go to the high of the B wave, which is a triangle then. This is where it finished. That's at least one possible scenario. So I'm considering the B wave was a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Surely not a high confidence assessment. Other scenarios might be possible, but the 100% extension points towards 18.4 cents. So we might go there. Again, the 78.6 retracement, it can be broken, but it shouldn't be a sustained break. And we'll observe 19.5 cents and 18.4 cents as next key levels, right? Do we have to go there? No, it's just as long as we stay below the green lines, the downside pressure appears very high. So for now, really no decisive price action though. See, this is just a sideways range, but the market might form a lower low in this current process here. And then we'll pay attention to the levels I already mentioned. Not much more to say, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, varied content, in-depth analysis, check out our new channel, MCO Global. It was only launched last week. You still have a chance to, let's say, shape this channel because your feedback is appreciated and I take everything on board. I read every comments, I reply to them because I want to know what kind of content you like. So we try a few different things on this channel. Check it out. Link is in the description. I wish you a great Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.